Oh, shit. Alright, YouTube, I have some serious problems. Alright, for some odd reason, there's something up on my reactor to where I can't do shit. But every time I go to my reactor, it says something about my my active X not it's popping up and it's not letting me download A.V.A and play, which I've already have A.V.A play download and all that kind, the good stuff. Here I'm gonna go to A.V.A. Alright, I'm gonna click on game start. Watch, game start. What the fuck is this? This is retarded. Please, if you have anything to help me by, please help me.